Instead of saying, please hire me, just say, I noticed this problem and here's how I can improve it. Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing 10,000 rupees in your account. Not from your salary, not from your parents, but from a complete stranger. Someone you have never met, someone sitting in another city, maybe another country. And now here's the craziest part. They didn't pay you because you are famous, because you are genius, and definitely they didn't pay you because you are doing your degree from a fancy college. They paid you because you solved their problem, and that's freelancing. Today I'm going to show you exactly how people are making money from freelancing while thousands of others keep watching motivational reels and stuff and doing absolutely nothing. Because freelancing is not difficult. What's difficult is escaping the lies people tell about freelancing. If you don't understand those lies, you will be broke, frustrated and blaming the market. So watch till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how a complete beginner can get the first client and start doing the work. The biggest lie about freelancing. Here's the first thing you need to understand. The internet has completely destroyed how people are understanding about freelancing. You just open YouTube and see some guy in a luxury car talking about freelancing like you can start freelancing. But how? Nobody explains that part. People think freelancing means making money. No, freelancing means solving problems. Money is the side effect. Just think about it. A business owner wakes up every single day with a lot of problems. His videos aren't edited. His website looks terrible. His social media is dead. You have to think about it carefully. He doesn't care about your dreams. He cares about fixing his problems. And you have to think that moment you understand that changes everything. Because freelancing is not about finding clients. It's about becoming useful. And the funniest thing, most beginners spend months learning one skill. And they spend 0 days learning how money actually works. That's why they stay stuck. Let's talk about that. Why most people never earn a single rupee. Let me tell you exactly why people actually fail. Not because they are lazy, not because freelancing is saturated, not because AI replacing them. That's bullshit. They fail because they are professional learners. Every day, new course, new lesson, new YouTube video, everything new. Imagine learning swimming for 2 years, watching swimming videos every day, buying swimming books, following swimming influencers, and never entering in the water. Sounds ridiculous, right? That's exactly what beginners do. At some point, you must stop consuming and produce something. Your first project will be ugly. Your first proposal will be bad. Your first conversation will be awkward. That's good. And that's how everyone starts. Nobody was born closing clients. What skill should you choose? People ask, which skill should I start learning? That's a completely wrong question. Ask yourself, what are people already paying for? Because the market doesn't care about your feelings. The market rewards value. Today, businesses are paying for video editing, thumbnail design, content writing, copywriting, social media management, web development, graphic design, AI automation, lead generation, and dozens of other skills. But here's the secret. Don't try learning 5 skills at once. Choose 1 or 2. That's it. Because that confusion destroys your momentum. If the momentum drops, you couldn't start. Now comes the part that scares everyone. The thing that makes beginners disappear. Getting clients. Let's destroy the fear right now. How to get your first client? Most people think clients are hiding somewhere. They are not. They are literally everywhere. Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, or even you can go with cold emails. Every business out there, you see a potential client. Just look at your local businesses. Terrible Instagram photos, poor videos, weak branding, bad thumbnails, outdated websites. Problems everywhere, but opportunities everywhere. Instead of saying, please hire me, just say, I noticed this problem and here's how I can improve it. Instant difference. Because businesses love people who think, not people who beg. Your first client won't come from luck. They come from outreach. Lots of outreach. And yes, you'll get ignored. You'll get rejected. You'll get ghosted. Congratulations. You're finally playing the game. The people who win simply survive longer than the people who quit. Now here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to hear. Your first client probably won't pay you much, and that's completely fine. Your first money. The internet made people unrealistic. They think your first month equals to lakh rupees. But in reality, your first payment may be 100 rupees, 500 or even 1000. That's completely fine. And you can think like that's amazing. Because that money changes something inside your brain. It proves that internet is real. It proves that strangers will pay you. It proves that your skills have complete value. And that first payment is not income, it's evidence. Evidence that you are on a right track. And once you get first client, the second becomes easier, and third, and the fourth. And that's how the momentum starts building. But there is a hidden trap waiting for beginners, and it silently destroys thousands of freelancers. The ego trap. The moment some people earn money, the ego explodes. Suddenly they become entrepreneurs, they become CEOs, business gurus, personal branding experts. Calm down. One client doesn't make you successful. Consistency does. You have to stay obsessed with your improving. Deliver work early, communicate properly, respect deadlines. Do what you promised. You will be shocked how much money people are actually making who are reliable. Your talent gets attention, but your reliability gets paid. And now the question everyone wants to be answered. Can freelancing actually change your life? Here's my answer. Yes, but not in a way social media shows you. Freelancing won't magically make you rich in just 24 hours or just a week. It won't make you a millionaire overnight. What it gives you is something far more powerful. Leverage. The ability to earn from your skill, the ability to work with people everywhere, the ability to create opportunities instead of waiting for them. And for many people, that's the first taste of freedom. Not because they become rich, because they become capable. So, if you are watching this and waiting for the perfect time, this is your sign. Not next month, not after another course, not after another motivational video. Today, pick one skill, practice it, show your work, message people, get rejected, improve and repeat. Because 1 year from now, you'll either have clients or excuses. What do you want? So, all the best. See you in the next one. Bye.